Hey Tommy, just wanted to make a quick video for you so you can remember the steps to generate the text from the calendar. So you know how to do this already. We went to the MEC calendar, we clicked on all events. It's important to have the correct date range, so I always like to sort it by start date. Um, and then go to the very end of the list. And I'm going to do all of the summer ones just for now. So starting June, just for this example, let's do everything from June. So I click the first one there, July and August. So everything before September, which is right there. I'm just going to click the first one, shift, click the last one. It should generate that. Then I'm going to go down to the bottom, generate CSV. Again, this is not anything new. I'm going to hit apply. I'm going to download it first and then hit save. And then I'm going to navigate over to the Google Drive in the newsletter merge. Let me get rid of this newsletter merge. And I'm going to upload that document straight to here. Okay, so you can do file upload or you can click and drag however you feel comfortable doing it. There you go, CSV, open. So the first thing that you have to do is you have to come in here and you have to change the original file. So this one here, you have to change the first sheet and rename it to raw, RAW. Okay. Now, if there's any changes that need to happen to the text, for example, here, this one's a good example. So, learn your color story time is already set up this way, but sometimes what they'll do is they'll do multiple events on the same event, right? So it's the same thing. So learn your colors, and maybe they'll have this one and then another event, but this one's going to be week 2 or whatever. You can merge all of those so that you don't have such long, so many events all at once. Okay, so all of the other information is correct except for the descriptions, which change a little bit. Okay, so that's when you change that here. In order to filter out certain things, you need to create your header here. So just grab this little gray area here and then bring it down. That makes row 1 your headers, your title headers. You click on you select the title of the row. You can select multiple columns too, I'm sorry. So you can select, like, for example, B and maybe start time or start date. I don't know why you would do that, but you can do that as well. And then you create your filter. Once you create your filter, you can clear out everything. And let's say, for example, I want to see this one and then hit OK. This one only has one instance, so you don't have to do anything. But if they do have multiple instances of it, you can combine them and just delete the older ones. Do the most recent, the earliest one. Okay. And then to clear it, you can just select all and then click OK. All right. And then I'm going to need this URL. So I'm going to copy this URL, copied it, put it in the clipboard, new merge document. I'm going to select this one and just paste it in here. Okay, like that. And it's going to give me an error because I have to allow permissions. So allow access, click allow access, and everything populates. Now it is set up so that you don't have to really do anything from this point except for run the merge. You go to merge to, And remember that if you have a count here that's higher than one, you have to go back and minute. Like, for example, here, cooking camp, you can merge those into one event. Okay. So I like to go all the way over here. All right. These ones are from the previous season, so you have to select all of them and then just delete them. Okay. Remember to double check, make sure that all of these are ones. If there's more than one of these, then that means that you have to go in there and merge them. Okay. See, like this one, this is a notorious one, story time. Okay. So, and don't change it on this document because if you do, then you mess up the whole thing. This one right here, you can search for story time and you'll find it here. Okay. After you're done with all of your merging and everything like that, go to extensions, go to Autocrat, and it'll take a minute to load. And then just hit the play button, and everything should start in that sequence. In this case, there's 70 rows that are 70 events that are going to be merged. I did have some triplicates in here, but this is just for showing you how to do it quickly. You're going to want to let this thing run. It takes maybe about a minute uh, at the very most. I think I've had to wait 2 minutes for it. It's not a long process, and it's all automated, so I don't have to worry about that. All right, it's almost done. While that is running, all right, that's 70. All right, so once you see that, it's done. And now you have links here, okay? You go in here, you can click on the link, and now you see all of the text, okay? Remember to add your headings here, so each one should have a heading. Double click on it, change it from normal text to heading 1, okay? Copy and paste from a previous newsletter one. So in the merge documents, so the ones that are shared, I don't know which one would be what good one to share here. So this one doesn't have it. Let's see this one. Maybe that one will have it. No, I don't know which one has it. But let's pretend that one of these has it. The announcements at the beginning. None of these have it. Why? All right. Oh, yeah, of course. It's the one that's shared. All right. So, yeah, see this one? It's a lot easier if you can select from the bottom and paste up. Right? So you select the announcements like that. Copy that. And paste it in here. Oops. Paste it in there like that. Okay. And make sure that that's heading as well. Heading 1. Okay. And then in here, insert the table of contents. Remove that. Insert table of contents, and then the first one. And there it is. Okay. You're going to have to do this for every title change. So, for example, adult, then all ages, and then all of that all the way down. Okay. Once that's done, make sure that you click share, change restricted to anyone with the link, and then they can edit. Okay. Copy the link and then email that link to everyone in the library. so that they can edit their events. Okay. Awesome. Hope that helps. Have a good one.